Hi, this is Stephen with FastCall. In this video, you're going to learn how to use the FastCall widget to record the results of your calls. You can record details of a call in the FastCall widget during and after any call made with the softphone. You can also use the call logger to achieve the same result. If you want to record details about a call made to a different receiving device, you'll need to edit the task or the call record directly, which can be a bit of a hassle. So, for the smoothest experience, use the softphone or the call logger to record the details of calls. I'm going to open up the FastCall widget now, and here's a call that I made earlier but haven't taken notes for. The controls here stay the same during and after the call, so you can type while you talk or after you've hung up. During and after a call, the FastCall widget will display this set of controls. And the set of controls allows you to record notes about a call, link the call to other Salesforce records. It allows you to record a call result, to create a new lead, and to view your call statistics. Let's go through each one of these in turn and set them for the call that I have just made. So, on the top tab, the Notes panel allows you to change the record to which the call is related. So, currently it's already worked out that the call was to Avi Green. I'm going to change this to a different lead. There's a separate training unit on how FastCall works out the connection to the other record. I can change the subject of the task that's created, and I can also write some notes here. The next tab allows me to choose related objects for the next tab allows you to connect the details of your call to an object other than a contact or a lead. In this case, my administrator hasn't enabled this functionality for me, but I could use this to connect to a case or an opportunity or a custom object if that's part of my workflow. Next up, I can record the call result. The behavior of this tab can be heavily customized by your Salesforce administrator. They can change the possible call results. They can also make it required or not required as necessary. Next up, I can, if I want to, create a new lead directly from the call. And the final tab, I can see my call stats, the goals for me personally, and the goals for my group if those have been set up. So finally, as we saw in the unit on making outbound calls, I can close the task. At this point, if I want to make further edits, I need to open the task record in Salesforce and change it there. As we saw in the unit on viewing the task record in Salesforce, click on it and click on View Task or Call Log. And there are the details that I just recorded. And that's all there is to know about recording call details using FastCall.